uyabona nje ukuthi inkinga nje la ka Strictly VENACK wena comedy showcase nje uma ngaba uhlekanga ke mntakasisi kusho khona ukuthi amazinya noboya uma uhlekile buyisa uCV sizokuveza eTV amen
Ukushaka konke
Rewind. We're not done yet. Hold up. The show is about to begin. As I said, rewind.
Othi shaya tech, leyakusiphinika tech. Melu nakho sivaleke nje kudake smatleke shayi back to back. Melu bounce in the track. Asazokulahisa amabalu yazi Strictly VENACK. Othi shaya tech, leyakusiphinika tech. Melu nakho sivaleke nje kudake smatleke shayi back to back. Melu bounce in the track. Asazokulahisa amabalu yazi Strictly VENACK. Sekumele kupheshwe namakhwenkwe sewasidabuleli ikhwekhwe. Kumele kusheshwe ngeVENACK igama libekwe yakuhlekwe. Sithondisa igwegwe ngashangani dabuka shwesh. Nimkhozi nishabisha shkele msashaka namshwesh. Akuthesha sihlabeli idlozi ngegama bageze. Ungafeli phakathi njengesiboshe esihlatshwe ngezwezwe. Nisaduka nezwe isintu ntwana sikhuluma bezwe. Ntwana umlila usashukuma intwana sukuma kuthezwe.
Tell ngitshela abafana ukuthi uvela bahleke sekumele ninyeke nibhodo mfana oneke uzuphele webhana umqedeza lapha konibhayisi fele maphela zatsheke ubana test bhala makeke so angithi masitshela wena uhlala usinatha mzala
This is one place a lot of via free moyona. I kopanele motor mona sorry Joe. I swear that guy from you know that commercial washing powder. I mean, no, look at my head, it's straight, I love him to bits. Get to introduce number one. This guy needs no introduction. This guy also on a performer called Blacks Only stand-up comedy. Went 100% Zulu comedy. He's also an actor. Now look so cool and partners and a place called home. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Siyabonga Brian Khadewe, going by the name ya Siyabi Matsoho.
Hey guys, yeah, it's nice to be right here. So I'm from KZN, so I was Zulu. Give me a round of applause from being from KZN. I'm from KZN, Buffett. But I would like to say, you guys really fuck up the world. I'm serious, like, ngifika mangibona intombazane ngangithi yes mfethu yayibona inhle kanjani awube ma yazi yayinhle intombazane umtshita wasesowe that hey wayibona yenza amasimba like, and another thing is you guys speak every language. Kaze ngaphinda awungiphindela mfethu uthi kwenze kanjani wayibona yenza amasimba. What the fuck? You guys really fuck up the world. And another thing is, like Kohli, there's a lot of gay people, eh? Ngicela ukusho ngesizulu. Baningi ongqingili. Ziningi inkonkoni la Kohli. Like I'm serious, like maningi kakhulu kuyathusa. You know, like uthola ama nightmares ekhanda. Like I had this nightmare ukuthi Huma Sigela was gay. It was a crazy nightmare, bafika ngiyantshela. There's a train that comes from Zimbabwe to Ndundunu. There's a train that comes from Malawi to Ezinqeni. Chugga 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 chugga. So, yabona indaba yeni la Kohli ngazulini. It's wrong, in fact. Like I'm watching TV, in fact, TV, you know, I watch National Geographic because I got DSTV, yo. So I'm watching National Geographic. My gorillas on my TV are not straight anymore. They're not like, wow.
no, none of that shit. They will, They do it so well, they even sing, Oh, shit. It's crazy. Yabo nje la eGoli niyamosha nje. Niyayimoshela nje umhlaba niyawona straight. I'm serious, like, eThekwini you find musicians. Anokuyithemba. You know, they're just like Americans. Like in America, they sing. I'm from Brooklyn. They sing, I'm from the bricks. eThekwini they have that. Niphuma phe bafana. Siphuma le kwela kithi mnambithi. They always represent ukuthi baphuma. You know what I'm saying? Ba represent la eGoli phethe umandoza ucule ngazi ukuthi uyabhosha. Engukhotheba. Hembashitona. Hawhosobona. Hikhalakatha. And I think that guy, I'm confused. I've never seen him with like intombazane on a newspaper. Like, yo, excited, boy, Cherga Mendoza, never. Not even once. Hlale ngimbone awuthi angamla nje. Hleze nongamla. DNK. Something is going on, man. Hey. Kwenzekalani ngale BEE yenzeka la? I partner noma ikhiphani. I really think banokungenana nje. Mabethi venene babuye. I'm serious. It makes sense. They really are fucking. Why else would DNK go, Mendoza, it hurts so bad. I didn't know it. You came between. I can just imagine Mendoza. I'm falling in the Lokshin. I put the first clap about it. She's sweet baby. That shit is crazy, guys. I recently bought myself a car. Yeah. If there's a white person in the house, I got a car, you motherfucker. Serious, my face. I bought myself a car. Sengikhathele ukuhlushwa amaZulu akithi. Ahlupha mina. Nami ngumZulu. Like I tell you guys, the first time ngifike North, ngibona irank for the first time, like ish, rank yaseGoli yanyiwe. Baningi kanje. Buti ingakephi taxi Alex. Oh, hi sharp. Buti uringe ngademona ngayitsama oh, hi sharp. Kaze ngamthola umZulu wakithi. Hawu unjani baba? Ya mfana wami ya. Kukhuluma yini? Baba I taxi Alex ikephi? Iyona le taxi. Into amavela umdele emotweni. I'm thinking ngihlele ngaphakathi. You know the white boy in me, cause yabo isilungu sisijwayele kakhulu. The white boy in me was like, but what did I do? What did I do to you? That shit is crazy. Like, now over the years, I understand my language, because if you listen, you get to understand. So my suits. So give me a rank. I don't care what you suit to vend and debele whatever. Got a song is from this inhlonipho. You know what I'm saying? Fune umhloniphe umuntu omdala. Injalo nje. Ibhalo kanjalo ayijigla. Mfethu umama omdala mfethu uphethe amaplastic uyajuluka uhambe taxi uye taxi nafika beka phansi amaplastic athi ngikhathithe yeah buti mthuse buti the taxi yako Alex diko kai. The taxi driver goes, we mama ngicela ungalingi ungenza slim uyangezwa bangenza phukuphuku mina akekho ngazi la eGoli ukuthi isisuthu siphela ngo4 la erent awuqalele phansi. What the fuck is wrong with my people? Ngiyatshela yabo umZulu decide ukuthi yabo namhlanje asisebenzi asiye emsebenzini asdrive. You guys can't go to work. You fucked. Adlala kanjalo uZulu gibela ibhasi ehlanye ibhasi Shit is crazy, my feet. Yeah. So now I'm having new experiences, having a car and all. So sengithola my experiences amasha. Like ngingame robotini elibovu, yabo. Stop at the red robots, ngidlala inaba, I'm smiling. Mangiphenduka ngibona imoto kaZola next to me. Ngithi ngizolisto. He will make my dreams come true. Bastard. In 3 days, amaphupha angazofese. And I keep going. Yabo manje idimile imoto yakhe. I keep going. Hey, ngizolisto. Hey, ngizolisto. Akaphenduka. And then I had an idea. And then ewindini awafula fast wenzani sho lova ngiyakhafulela That shit is great. That shit is fucking crazy. Yeah, my friends, there's another good thing, regardless of our tribes, there's another good thing njengokuba umuntu omnyama. The way espresa ngayo uNkulunkulu bafethu. Man siyamthanda uNkulunkulu bafethu. Yeah. Yabo umuntu omnyama mayithandazela uNkulunkulu pays attention. Uyaphaphama. Yayibona leyo nto. Because white people bayambora uJesu sometimes. Like umbona ungabe yes Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Oh, she's so cute, Laura, don't you think so? She's so cute. Yes, Jesus. Ha, Jesus is falling asleep. Bizo umuntu omnyama uJesu uzopapa. Jesus! Oh, uJesu wami, Jesus! Papa manje uJesu. Papa manje. And another thing is, whether we star or we in the township you sing. Have you ever seen like the mantombazana wayitawa ngempela la wadawayo? Adawa ngempela. Emngcwabeni yona kuthiwa besacela uThandeka. Asiqalele ingoma ngephimbo lakhe elomzwilili. Thandeka. Thatha indawo yakho ntombazana. Thandeka fika ilungile. Hiyo lendlela, hiyo lendlela, hiyo lendlela, Osa sambe mzalwane, Osa sambe mzalwane, Osa sambe mzalwane, Osa. I'm telling you, that very same night, ebusuku uzomhlangana naye eThaveni umbonile kodwa. Kinga sabacule iJesu. I'm thinking, what the hell? I was trying to call wena laphana emngcwabeni. Yes, it's a laugh sometimes, you know. And that's a nice thing about some music way too, though, you know, because you just pay attention. Because angangibuka movie, what's it called? Dream Girls. Do you guys know that movie? Yeah, I'm watching Dream Girls. Kona le scene le. This guy goes, it's more than you, it's more than us. Whatever dreams we have, we are a family. Do. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking, ha. That's nice. If it was done in South Africa, it is more than you. It is more than her. It is more than you. Him and her. Everybody lap him side. Oh, lolo. It is more than you. Shit, man. It will go on and on, Bob. A cinema, we won't just see it, TJ Tina, if it's our musical. No, yes, it's bad. Yeah, he's a joke. We're very excited as a band, you know what I'm saying? We're very excited. So I figured one thing. So I asked for the most important thing to a man using music. Waibona kuku, pussy. Musu kuthi ngoba na uhlangane nawe namhlanje le ntombazana. It's not a surprise. She knows what you want. Ha! Aha! KP. Anyway. I can just see him shit out. Ish, I'm serious though, my friends. Like I've started using music to ask for punani. That's why we call it in Durban, because it's Shalanamandi. Punani. It sounds like something very special. It sounds like that's a dessert it is. Punani. Punani. You can say it in any language. Kikopak punani. Gikeli punani. You know what I'm saying? You can say it. It's fucking nice, man. Like another thing, just to get back to you Joburg people, it's like we uthola amagama amnandi. Thandeka, thulile, thapsile, sibongile. You know what I'm saying? Ngathi uyarhyme kanti it's different people. You know what I'm saying? You find nice names. La go ngahlala intombazane enegama elisounda njengesifo. Ngabo cha ngiyafaka nje. Ngiyafala. The hip hop head, they kind of like, yo, you dead nigga. You out, son. Tombazane ithi hawu uma coming out kinaki khawkhela. Eya, ki khawkhelo na. What the fuck? That sounds like an infection. Serious, Buffett. If udokotela eza kumina and goes, Siyabonga, I'm sorry to be the one that tells you this, but you are suffering from khawkhel. I'll be walking. Ngihambe Soweto first. Abachita zohlangana. Nginyuka ngama-escalator emamponyo. Ngihleli so, ish. Khipha khawkhelo nje. Ngathi singena nasemqaleni. Anyway, back to the punani. You know what I'm saying? I've started using music, yabo, to ask for punani. And it works, machita. You learn some shit. Ngibukeni ufunde. Intombazane uyibuka kanje emehlweni. Sesingibuka wena ngoba wena oseduze. But if you like the way I ask you, hey, I'm available. Yahlala. I'm joking, baby, I ain't available. So anyway, you look at the girl straight emehlweni and you just sing. Girl, give me some of your puny hand. I'm telling you, that shit works. Shit works. But that's an American culture of asking for punan. So I started thinking, maybe I should bring it home and use the South African way. I'm not too sure if, you know, Xhosa people use their culture to ask for punani. I'm not sure if they will get some. I'm serious. No, mantombazane ngcono nisho lo nina. Ungamnika umkhosi. Ezokubuka emehlweni athi, "Kanike punani. Give me some of that punani so we can shaka. Sim. Yo. No. Kasi ngiyayibona intombazane. Sorry? Yo. But why are you asking for it like it's gonna come from the sky? Like what's your shit is crazy. Or you can use like Jamaican style is nice because you keep repeating the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Give me punani, yo, give me punani. Rewind! Give me punani, yo, give me punani. My selector, give me punani. Jamaican is crazy. So anyway, Zulu would look you straight in the eye. I'm changing the lady because I've already won this side. Zulu would look you straight in the eye and go, give me punani girl, give it to me. Mangalaleli uyasheshisa. Give me punani girl, give it to me. Shit. And if you ask a stupid question like, but why do you want me to give you my punani? Ha! Zulu's got the answer right here. So we can, so we can, nine. So we can, while you cry, why? Oh, shit. And Zulu will make you feel very, very special. He'll make you feel so special. Uyibona ukuthi mama ngizangilo somhlabeni. Ekseni nivuka. Uvuka ekushaya ngesmile. Bese yambuza, yini? What? King? Or whatever language you speak. Zulu, I'll make you feel so good. Sugar do. Sugar do. Sugar do. Your punani gives me energy. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bule.
I thought you strictly VENACK. Like strictly VENACK. Gadala. Okay. Sanbonan. Dumelang. Dimadegwan. Hello, one. Yeah, anyways, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Manene na manenekazi, bafowethu nabodade wethu, machita nabochiri. Oh yes. Bokleva, nabo stupid. Yeah, ngaqiniso igama lami ngupule. No, that's not a joke. No. How can you laugh at my name? Do I laugh at your name? Hello, what's your name? Billy. No, I can't laugh at your name. That's wrong. That's rude. I can't laugh at people's names unless they are funny. Some people have funny names, guys. Apparently, I was reading this in a newspaper, not Daily Sun, in a reputable newspaper. Okay, no, maybe it's reputable, but in a less entertaining newspaper. I was reading that someone named their child Vodacom. Mazibuko. Vodacom! Your name is a network. It's tough for that kid, extremely tough, because he can never miss a day of school. Because the time he misses school, the teacher will be taking register, Kalabo. Tanyane, present. Siswe, present. Timakazo, present. Vodacom, no network. No, that's cheesy, but it's a real name. I swear it's a real name. Then you get names like Mike. No, you get names. You get names like psychology, Kumalo. I've heard of that. Repetition, Mapena. Yeah, some are slow. We're laughing like, kwenzakalani. Boy, angifirstan joke. Iskachambisa, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, repetition, mapena. No, ufana no echo, mkize. Yeah, and then my personal favorite, a kid called Abomination Mkabela. Nyantela nas. Abomination Mkabela. At school, the teacher couldn't say the name. She went through the list like, oh my God, okay, hey Mkabela, Mr. Mkabela, are you here? The whole of his school period, he never managed it. You see, those are funny names. Billy. It's a funny name. My name is not funny. It's not hilarious, long one. It's a simple name, obvious, Pule, because I was born, Pule is my name. I was born when it was raining. So, obviously, in our culture, we call people by, children by the weather, things of that nature, of course. It's only right, I mean, really. Mara, the funny thing is that Usiswam, the time she was born, Timvula still. So, what a coincidence. But, so obviously, Kamala Kengu Puleng. Yeah, Maruputuam, the problem about my brother is that he was born while it was very hot, just extremely hot. Christmas Day, in fact. They were going to call him Jesus, but they said no. So, obviously, his name had to be Chisa. Oh, you know my brother was. He's a legend. I guess Coco out here. Chisa. Yeah, no, I guess Coco. But the problem is that it's tough for him because when people are like calling him, Ngati Bakuli Kwaito or something. Hey, Swagala, Chisa. Yes. Chisa man, Swagala. You can hear him singing that, ne? Chisa man, Swagala. Yes. Chisa man, Swagala. Mdu had that nice thing of he was good in that. It was a beautiful sound, He could kill that sound and Kwaito back then when Mdu used to go it was so beautiful, man. I used to love Kwaito back then. It was just wonderful because it wasn't complicated. They were not trying to say too many words. Keep it simple, Simple songs. Sadama Crips, Sadagwa, Sadama Crips, yeah, very nice. Sure. Simple. To the point, straightforward to the point. You understand what's going on. It's simple. There's nothing complicated about that. But it's powerful. Don't use too many words. A sentence is a verb only. You can have a sentence which is only a verb. People realize that now. About spy course, see a drive, a verb. See a swim, a verb. Ye birthday yam, ye verb. Yeah. No, very verb. No, verb. No, don't make a mistake, eh? It's called a copulative. 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 Yeah, no. It's scala. No, I learned it at school. Yeah, I learned it in Zulu class, It's scala. Yeah, in class less Zulu, so you copulative. Yeah, well, I know you were not there, not paying attention. No network. You don't even need a verb for a Kwaito song. You can have a Kwaito song without verbs. In fact, that's a great Kwaito song. Great Kwaito songs don't have verbs. Think of the great Kwaito songs of all time. Menwana pezulu. Noun preposition. I know verb. Totally no verb. And you don't even need nouns. You can have function words, grammatical words. Otherwise. You go, Male. You go, Nsombu blind. Not even words. You can have like parts of words, a suffix, the end part of a word. Like Alaska. Alasker, Nswember, Replinder. Anything, any word, you know, you can think of anything you see around you. Miker, stager, you know, laugher, biller, udomer, blinder, unsember, you know. Anything you see around you. Powerful. Waking up in the morning, dressing up in the morning, putting on your clothes, you're missing a shoe. It's a Kwaito song on the spot. Sepesta tulosam, aw yes silahlekile. Sepesta tulosam, aw dala ngisifuna. Then the time you're looking for it, ungazenza ubricks. Angithi ubricks uthanda ukuzenza confused nyana. So you're looking for what? Yeah? Siphi. What? Yeah? And then nasi. And guess the other one. Mele zibe together. Together. Shit. Kwaito, I'm here to tell you that Kwaito is a wonderful art form, guys. A beautiful art form, and we should espouse it. It should be part of national policy, and it should be like... Kwaito and politics go together. They go together. Kwaito and politics go together. Just look at ANC Youth League. I mean, it's obvious, you know, they go together. Njengamathe nolimi, njengebheshu nesende. No maravele. Isintu lento. Isintu, ya. Angeke ubone umuntu ugqoka ibheshu, ugqoka underpant. Ngaphansi ngeke jo hayi. They go together, njengomvenda notokolosh. They go together. These things go together, you know? And the thing that they don't realize why they don't go together is that ANC Youth League itself, as a Kwaito party, no, as a ANC Youth League, you know, is not really a political party. ANC is the political party. ANC Youth League, it's a political party. Jaiva, my comrade, Jaiva, my comrade, you know? And you ask them what's going on. They're like, the thing is that, whereby we are, you may assume that we are having a behavior of mannerisms of adolescence. Mara, you will see that you have misdetermined your consequences of your actions because we are actually a socialist party. You see, that's the excuse that they're a socialist party. So kufanele ba socialize baphuza amakoti bavule sekele wangena bajiva bese bavotela president. You know? Yeah? And the funny thing is the president umalema yalakhisa le outhi yangiqeda le outhi uyakwazi ukujiva ungene sekele ushaye sakudala ushaye va manyisa va kwasa va dwalatsa va tsasa ezakudala tsasa uJulius ajiva la ade chesa jiva ngathi uvotiwe chesa. As a last point, I would like to say the solution for this. Put Mandoza in parliament. Please do that. Because Mandoza is the only guy with the amazing ability of saying a speech. Akakhulumi, ushaya ma sound effects nje kuphela. You know? Ngena parliament kala bo, "Phethu Mandoza la. Ulaba fethu, se parliament manje, Madam Speaker, hola Jofijo. Ngene le parliament ngithi ngithi kihle ngithi kalaka ngithi twa ngithi vu pa pu ngithi kihle ngithi ka ngithi kalaka ngithi skalaka ngithi chu bese ngiyavaya ngithi chu vu ola bafowethu ni background.
Augustine Shotolo Kwetepane Matsoho.
Na ugaruja kumeli papali. Kinwa hapeleche akabaka lauri. This is strictly VENACK. Auna ntunga idea mara vudzutsi pelo akaivuthoko bekisanya go perform. I'm worried about my friend. And ke khopela thusho ya lena ne. Kuri vutsibotsi o reipile.
ka mokgwa feeling story so ditaba di thomile morago wa gore a tshwarela a kry bail ba mo file bail ganthe ke tsotsi o nyoko ya ngakeng ya ditaola o tlo tsena kwa ngakeng ela ngaka ela ya mo lebella ya re ke o diele eng a re no makhosi ke reipile kore botsebotse ke itšeetše ka kganga se ke fapane felo le mokokone so 9 o'clock tomorrow ke tsena court please man dia plan ke win at item ke kwela ba o bolela a ke re wa tseba re dingaka dia confirmation ya ngaka e re vuma ya re vumi a re ke a vuma a ba re togo tsere mosela wa go mongaka wa o bolela dilo a ke gore na o reng o betha mothakola mo di magara once ka mosela ola o boya hape o metha hape mo mpeng o bolela odimo ka bona mo lebella mo pele mo wa ntshwara ke re metha ra o ka rena ke feditšene I'm done wena tsamaya o robale o tsene court o win court eo o tla mpatela ka o san don't worry wa tšwa wa robala 8 o'clock tomorrow o tsena ka bathroom o re no ke a prepare la court ha re ke a tlhapa nete fela ha thobola borogo di parcela di yone kore a ema a lete a re diphatha tšaka a diwo mara a nana or maybe ke strategy sa ngaka fitla nako gore a tsene ka leboxing la tsheko ba itukiša ba re gentlemen you raise up your hand and avow the evidence you shall give to be the truth only interpreta gore wa rra emešhaletso o re modimo thuša ke bolele nnete ka confidence a re modimo nthuše ke bolele nnete ba re o katile wa rra o ipona molato ora o ipone molato a re manna next a ke ipone molato ba e ba re why a re ke taka eng ba come again ba pardon a re ke taka eng togo ba re what do you mean a ra ke na saka ne and the magistrate unana kwa mthako mudia style or gentlemen this is a courtroom it's not a river and I'm not taking fishing expeditions here ara ke le botsa maaka ke re ke ta akena saka ba 5 minutes break khoro ya phatalala for 5 minutes ba le ena ka khoneng e ba fita ka mola ba re wa re banna ka moka a ona mosadi moni abuti bula putu Haro wa provela they were so shocked. Ba ke re ba bone FNB stadium. Levala di phata tša mogotsi a di won. Ba no re ba boela ka mola ba re gentlemen you are discharged. Bona wina molato o kitimela kwa ngakeng yela o re ko mo fa tšhelete a enyakang batswadi ba ngwano wa re o katile ba re le na man le tardisha di phosho le re bana ba batho ba di hole ba le katile o katilwe ke mambotsebotse ngwana na se seno araba ka go lla kore se iputšiša gore o dia etseng ka re mothola ke mone man yela e tsena ka ngakeng e re nang ka bona bongaka na mogekolo mongwe ko o no mmiletša ka mothoko o re motolo gore bona re bjale re hakaneile a re sa tseba ye ntsho le tšhweun gape bongaka ba letše ba re toela maabane ba thokaetše maabane bošiu ya wa tseba re o botšišitše potšišo e tee fela ka pelo e botlhoko my friend a re mara a ba toela molaetšanyana ona le probleme e kgolo and I'm happy gore Zuma ke mo presidente ke gopela gore ntho a tshwantse a dire ya mathomo go tlhokomela problem e leng go polokwane a re sana mai ka mo di shopong ka mo di gotsa botokwa di a condomizer kwa e mare le khole a chabe ya man ke grele mathaga 5 and o ka re ke bathompei mare bjanong ba ka ra aeroplane ye ba no ana gore molaetša o tswe wa re aeroplane ye e tlo crasha So there are 5. And ba tshwantse o shumisha di parachute. Parachute tse di a shorta. Ke baba ke tsenne bona ke ba bathano. The question kore ke mang wa tshwantse a hwe ge crasha. Ke mo ke kuleng banna ba bolela wa mathoma rena ke nna Zinedine Zidane. Ke nna number 1 football player internationally. And botse ke kwele gore bafana ko South Africa e tla be hostile 2010 yona ke nyoko ya o tlala danga spokofalane jwale ni a topa parachute a tswa wa bobedi o re nna ke nna Will Smith, a producer, a comedian, I'm a singer, and botse Africa boro ya nrata because Mandela o nkgethile ke friend ya Mandela kere, so nka se tlhokofalane jwale o topa parachute wa tswa. Wa boraro ke Ngagara ke top dog ke mo president wa Zimbabwe Robert Mugabe. Number 1 nna ke nna mo president wa mafolofolo go feta di president ka moka. Number 2 ke na le di degree tša go feta tša di president ka moka. Number 3 ke tseba sekgowa go feta di president ka moka. A bolela ka sekgowa I don't have an appointment with death. Ano popular tswa wa bone ke mo presidente wa Maloba Dr. Hole Tlatla Nelson Mandela mogalajwe jonong o shetse le ngwana ke o ngwana o ke le China se lebelela arsan na o ka re ke page South Africa e apere democracy ka bakalaka wa bona. And then ke khonne go ba lokolla ebile ke tlhomile le ntwe golo kwa ya o thusha bana ba ditšhiwana a ke re wa bona. I've just celebrated my 90th birthday Maloba kwa wena tšea parachute eo ya mafelelo o tswe ka yona o ka re nna ke right ngwanana sela sa re no a ska wara Ragolo Mandela hape parachute ya mafelelo e sa le ona mo wa bona nako tšela o Ragolo Mugabe a etswa ka speed a re yena o kena wa mafolofolo o nanana ro tšea parachute o tšere school bag saka ke thabile kudu because ka mo ke bona di opedi tše dintši ka mo ene le lena le a tseba re le ja ka Limpopo a kere phela rena a re right ka kwa re a reka. The only problem ka rena kore nthongo le ngwe re nyaka o idia ka maleme a bo rena dikoshanyana tše tša lena re a di change. Must listen to Limpopo batho ba o tswa ka bolobedu ge ba opela kosha ya mafikizolo kosha ya bana ba batho yona ere wa phele umnyanga nka ubone bona ba wa buda mengwaga nka ubone kangara gang wa buda mengwaga nka ubone kilo kaka gang Here I'll meet you in the river and I don't kumana kulitile mulabole dikosha tše tša lena ra di change ka kwa. Kamar Kelly Robert Asare I believe I can fly bona ba re ndi color ndi do fova ka Tshivenda ka kwa. I believe I can touch the sky ba re ndi color ndi do khumama gole here I think about you every night and day bona ba re nda humbula iwe tuba na tuba ka kwa litengwa ke tlo boela mrao ne jwale nna ke tšena kon ntwe nthabisitseng kudu ko re mo presidente wa Maloba Bill Clinton Robert Mugabe le mo presidente wa Maloba Dr. Hole Tlatla Nelson Mandela ba tswa lodimong ba no o etela fela just to visit as ba tlhokofalen ba fitlhile ba tšea beke kwa tše dikgolo di feditše beke lodimo ke le botsele le bose di kule monate a di sa nyako boya mo lefaseng di rokeletšeng ka beke e kwa lengelo ila ona re tla lokeletša ka beke ge lena le ka diaso o mongwe le o mongwe mo lena a nkreele di-fruits tše 3 tša di ratang 3 le tle le tšona keno Mugabe o ya kwa Mandela o ya kwa Bill Clinton o ya kwa ba tla le tšona ba di tshwara so o re ke kgopela gore o se ka dija di lokele ka moanong di felele ha di ka felela ka moanong o winne beke mara ha o ka wisha o paletšwe no ba o boela lefaseng la lena la mathata re thoma ka Bill Clinton a ka ba geleng mara o tseba nna o gele diapola ene a kgetha apola tše dikutu kore tše di gima tše o no ra re ke a zama rena ke paletšwe ke boela ka thoko ne re boela wo a re ye go monna wa magic president ya maloba Dr. Gauli Tlhahla o gele diterebe a re terebe ya mathomo a beya ya right lodimo la re approved a re terebe ya bobedi ya right lodimo la re approved ha tshwanetse a thope sefoka a khupe terebe ya boraro ba no kwa tsheya a itshwadilo tšela ba re Mandela o tsheya eng o shetse o winne o re no ke tsheishwa gore Mugabe o tshwere maapu ka mo. Thank you very much. Thank you. My name is Kwetepane ne.
Ladies and gentlemen, Thomas Kumete.
It's so good, man. It's nice to be here. I was driving along N1 South, and it's crazy. The traffic is crazy in Johannesburg. Am I wrong or am I right? Huh? Things are getting out of hand. Gautrain, 2010. Gautrain, 2010. Shit is just crazy. You can't do anything. And then after all of that, there's metro cops. They'll pull you over for talking on your cell phone. And I don't understand personally what the problem is with talking on your cell phone. I mean, is it because you're using one hand? So smoking should be illegal, right? Right? I mean, what's the issue? Is it because you're talking? Because then talking should be illegal. Like, even if you got your hands-free kit. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. The government is not looking after us. What's next? Soon we're going to be paying for just talking to you. If Vodacom's going to be charging you pay as you go just for talking. You won't find niggas just standing on the side of the street quiet. Be chasing niggas down. If I talk, Mambamba lapha ekhoneni umbuzo enhleke mfethu usikhipana. Umbambe off peak for a coming final. Umbambe ngo 12 to 5. Are you free or are you dumb? Are you free? It's crazy, man. No, it's crazy. And why people don't care? Why people just got money during these times of recession? Tina, before recession was famous, we didn't even know what recession meant, huh? Now all of a sudden it's the new in thing. Recession, comrade, recession. Some people fuck up the words. They don't know what they're talking about. They be like, I find Motakuk recession is pumela. No, in fact, fuck Motakuk recession. Are you recession one? In fact, we don't know what those words are. Do you guys know what recession means? You don't know, huh? Mbali, no. Easy date, eh, Billy? It's crazy, man. It's crazy. And we've been voting. Did anyone vote in here? Just by a show of left arms, who voted? Okay, all right. Is that shit off yet? No. Hey, man. Every day I try, my nail is fucked up. Every day I'm trying to take it off and it just don't go off. And it's crazy, you know, this whole election process, you know, it really showed us again, Uguti, we are still divided. Yeah, but as comrades, we are not the camaraderie has not yet been set in place. White people going all crazy. I voted in Houghton. Yes.
I'm not even from there. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna find the widest place, go stand there and vote. Cause tension, you know, as if they don't know I'm voting for a black party, you know. Rock up with my ANC t-shirt, just standing in the line, you know, minding my own business. I'm just there. But it was crazy, voting was crazy because even the foreigners have started voting now. People, Nigerians who have been here for 5 years, they've got their citizenships, they're voting. I had a Nigerian guy hassling us at the queue. We all waiting to vote, he acting like he's running this whole shit. You know Nigerians don't care. Nigerians are just comfortable here, you know, we're small. South Africans are, well. Most of us are small. And Nigerians just don't care. They don't give a fuck. They run their shit. I went to the toilet. So I told everyone, I was like, hey, I'm going, I'm coming back. White people were all right. They didn't want to fuck with the process. They know. They just, you know, they know. Nigerians, though, shit, that nigga was going crazy. When I came back to the line, he was like, ah. Who are you? I've been here since 4. Go back. Go back to the back of the line. I'm like, no, dog, I just went, I don't care. Do you think you are special? You South Africans, you don't listen, you don't want to work. Now you want to jump a queue. I'm like, come on, dog. Come on. So we're standing in the queue, we're waiting, you know, we're waiting. Next thing, Nelson Mandela arrives. The grandfather of democracy in South Africa, huh? He arrives and everyone's going crazy. Yo, Madiba! Ah! No! One Nigerian motherfucker was like, ah! Haven't I been here since 4? Why does Madiba go to the front? Nelson, come back. Go back. Modiba magic nothing. I don't care about this and that. I don't care. Shit. Mbali, you ever go with a Nigerian dude? Huh? Not yet. He catch you at the club. Ah, look at that one. She's shaking. She's ready, huh? Buy a McDonald's pizza. McDonald's pizza. It's crazy, and condoms just fucked everything up. First things were all right. You knew that, okay, cool, you've got 1, 2, 3 steps to get into the bedroom. Now there's the condom. That is a woman's way out anytime, no matter how hot and heavy she is. If you have not strategically placed your condom in a place where you can just get it quickly and put it on without her noticing, you are fucked. You be like, when's on? Nothing, baby. It's just a packet of chips under the pillow. And you know, get women these women are so experienced, they can tell what condom you're using just by the sound of it. You guys will be kissing, you doing your thing, you try to reach for the condom. It's a choice. Angisebenzisi choice. Oh man, it's crazy, I'm telling you. And buying condoms is the hardest part of it all, huh? We ask good more petama condom uzopamba. You know that's the myth, right? If you go to a woman's house and you're expecting to get laid and you got the condoms in your pocket, guess what? You ain't gonna get laid. So now you have to buy them on the way to her house. And what you gonna do, huh? You're gonna pull over the garage 1:30, 2 in the morning to do what? Like, Eish, ngancanywa nje baby, yazi nqanyiwe nje ngifuna ukuthenga isiphuzo. Mawuthi uphuma emotweni nawe uthi angicela ukuza hayi futhi sayihlala emotweni. Hlala emotweni. You get to the place, right, and you know it's late and the guy's sleeping, and when you wake him up, like, you check to make sure she's still in the car. Show her to Nike Coke, Nama Red Bull, condom. Condom, swine. He gives them to you and you go, comes, woo, yeah. Get back to the place and you guys start doing your shit. And you know what the worst thing? Alcohol makes you think you're strong. Alcohol gives you like this power. You guys think, you just think that, you Superman. You know what I'm saying? You be doing your thing and the girl says, Thomas, pick me up. You're like, oh yeah? All right, so Thomas, pick me up right now. You're like, okay. Baby, right? I know, it's the new style. That's how we do it. One leg, baby. Okay, before I get out of here, before I get too carried away talking about sex, shit. This is how white people used to, white people growing up. I had a friend when we were like 5, 6 years old, Blake, and he'd break a window in his house and the mother would be like, Blake, come here. Go to your room. Me, break a window in my house, Giti, playing soccer. Shit was fucked up. And even if they got really out of hand, this is all they'd get. Go to your room. Tina, abotak, Siaz. First things first, your mother will tell you to go fetch the shit she wants to fuck you up with. Hamboka uswazi. You be walking outside looking for the shortest piece of wood you can find, the softest shit ever. You get back into the house. Oh, ungiletela lento. And you know, black people, they didn't just hit you like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go home. Nah. They'll explain to you while they're hitting you why they are fucking you up. Ngakutshela ukuthi ungabo dlala ibhola endlini ngoba ngizokusha yangebha ndela mi ukhalelani. You guys have been a beautiful crowd. Thank you very much. My name is Schoolboy Matsoho.
Maraga iputsoro wa schoolboy ka lentswele le kana le ditedu di tletse sefatlheo. Ere ke le botse spirit. The problem is gore nna go ke tsena sekolo ke nna ne ke lo mogolo ka mo classeng. So ka mkhone ke faila ka teng mo reportong yaka ne ba sa tlhele ba ngwala fail. Ne ba ngwala o dirile jaaka metla. So ka mkhone ke le stouti go bola tsatsi le leng ke tsena ko sekolong but ne ke le late. Ha ke tsena fela teacher at school boy, why are you so late? E tla mo moshimane ko shapa. Kano menere wa itse bothata gore why ke le later no akitse etlam khunam ke re no menere re go tlhalosetse no na le ntato mongwe ntatola na wiste 100 ranta aro school boy so papa no mo thusa o e batla ke re no menere ne ke hatile bana ne ke sa le botsa ka school boy. So ke hopola tsatsi le marno school boy re khopela di mabitso a thomang ka aqua go thoma bo Ephraim mola bar aquarium go tla bo John bar aqua fresh bar ya school boy ka re akwa mathe ne ke attendile a music competition. Why the music competition no ne attendile ke mehlobo e me 5 ele Batswana ele Mapedi ele Matebele ele Mavenda le Basotho ba Shweshwe ba re no motlobo o ka opela mpila mo o tsia 10,000 le trophy ba tsamaya ba ya hae ba thoma ba re no re tlo le fa dinoto di very simple do re mi fa sol la netso hele ka di opela la re do re up to go bofelong then le tsia trophy le 10,000 la tsamaya ba re right re thoma ka Mapedi do re mi to 4 apo tseba ona clever go botokwa o kila bona le pedi le tshwarapo are o diang sane ke ta thaba ka mpha ka sane di sa chaleti wena ba thoma ka Mapedi ba re Mapedi do re to 4 ba re to re mi ba re alright ra tlhaloganya gore ne re thoma and a re thomeng pila do re to 4 ba re to re ba re to ba re to ba re to re ba re to re ba ra le palletso ba ra le palletso emelang ka mo lona ba re a re tleng ka Batswana ba re Batswana hai do re mi to 4 wa o bona kana go la go phutha Tswana mangope na ba tla Batswana fela go Northwest ha o ka fitla le mothobo mong no ya Toronkong ke o bola tsatsi le leng a tsena go Mega City a grabo ntate ba le ba bararo a fitla mo bona re yes borra le methobo mang wa thoma Motswana a ra nna ke Motswana ke bina khabo ba re okay fita a ba tla ka bobedi khante ke le tebele ba re yes ra wena mothobo mang a ra ni nna ke Motswana nkiti papuni batla ka Changrito khante ke le Changane batla ka le Changane ba re yes ra wena mothobo mang a ra na mina le Motswana le tshela mfene Trong 2 batla ka Batswana ba re Batswana do re mi to 4 ba re do re mi ha sol la ba re fa ba re ha ba re fa ba re ha ba re le fau ba re le hau ba ra le jilwe ambudi se batla ka Matebele ba re Matebele do re mi to 4 o kile wa kra le Changane le tshwara le Tebele po a so bone motlholo le Changane le tshwara le Tebele po a vitare wena le Thimali le Changane le ra but mina ne na nchumu but a re ngitsholo ni shumelo njalfuna le Changane le le bona re ke mathata ra but mina na hemba a re na lu hembelelo njalfuna batla ka Matebele ba re do re mi to 4 ba re u do u re u mi ba re thoma hape ba re u do u re ba re do ba re u do ba re ba re u mi a ba ra ile paletso batla ka Bashweshwe ba re Bashweshwe ka itse le na hae la shapa ntate le a le yona mane hae do re mi fa to 4 ba re do re mi ba re ba re ba re do re ba do re ba ra le joue batla ka Mavenda ba ra ba no o setse lena le tsamaya le yona le ya go Venda ra Mabudane kwa o kile wa kopana le gay ya le Venda a re ndi madekwane a buti sele ka utlwa ba re if papa hao e le a vendor and mama hao e le mochangane. If your father is a vendor and your mother is changani, wena go ra o venture. Batla ka mafenda ba re dore toto fo. Ba re chedorana chemirana chefarana. Re bolele ka language ya xenophobia ke re se ke ra bitsa batho makwerekwere a se mokhomopile. O gre mo hirile ka mo hae ho ratlo weldela di batla mola a le busy a weldela. A o bolele le bra ya ho mola jo ne ke tshwere ngwana mo mbare ke Selina. Jo ngwana lo pakile belo ka metha wa lo la ka metha. Ah eskale o tlo motšhini o timile. Ara Brasipo angibutse mo Selina mo mabulela ka yena o mo philanyana so ora ngambona Selina o mamtsama nkare mo phiko konyana tla mona mtsamanyana mama tsamanyana so mo hatanyana o nkare mo nonyane nyana so Oria ara ngamwetsi ngwanala ngamwetsi ngimgwanti ngimnyobile starek waitsi ha o tsama ka treni o kile wa bona ba hirile motho wa nantshang di treni maraka mo e le stlaela ara to tshameka ka batho. So ele fru mola le Americo announce train mola train yan Deep Kloof 95 platform 4 la shiana mola ele shiana le tsana ko platform 4 ke a le fora platform 1 o kila wa utla ho tsena go di kerekeng tse dingwe o ka re ya le hodimo man o tlo ba opela ka mola ka mo kerekeng o tlo ba re my sins we're higher than the mountain when the Lord ay hona le mo mra go re Jesus wa utlwa lo ena mara o re itse mo ke a tsena mo ka dikholo tsa le hodimo ba re sing glory hallelujah when the fire came down o Jesus a ba no mputsise o tsena go ba bang kre ba feleletse ka uniform mola Pina bona no thoma nam pararara we thoma ba mpina ka parara hape bona bana lo opela ka ntshengwe le nngwe bana lo re ba opela mo go feta valiant ba emi so valiant ere a utlwa e thoma pina bona ba re valiant Ephala ke Audi Valiente Ephala ke Audi Heke tloa go Pitori ke tla mo ke ne ke tsama ka taxi so ka mo taxing ba itse ke followe mo bara mo ka mo taxing ne rena metsela uso mong auso a apere di kwai a le nice nyana bjana a apere di kwai mara di RMS capsule ha re ke re go followa kwai ya khupa ke steps sa taxi a wela mo fatshe shem mara batho ba ka mo taxing a ba re ba mo tsheha ba re wa ba thuntsa le rula auso la folo a emella mola a tintare le tshang ke folwa ka mokho ke nyakang mos Nkile ka data auso mongwe o mopila man wa itse auso mopila wa o tshwana le our first lady so auso re fitla go restauranteng ba re fa menu mo le ba re fa menu o thoma nna ke order bo chicken and a bor nice, chicken and a borlan, di mango salami, di boboti. Ba di tlise ba re mabebeza. Ali pila. Ba re mabebeza menu shoe. Ma itse ba irile mo menu. Ba ngwetse ba re from Monday to Friday reserve this. Ba tloele ba re from Saturday to Sunday we serve this. Mara wa itse ba irile ba abbreviate ile. Ba itse MON bar dash bar FRI. Ba tswa mo yona. Ba tshelela ka mo bar SAT bar dash bar SUN. Ai tshwara ile bellar. Ka yes ba ibunya ka ngarama papa itse keng. Ere ba mfa mo fry. Baby moon fry. Aria papa ba isa feka satsan. Wa itse o bothoko o kire ngwanyana a lipila a sa itse skoa. Ba mo hirile ko liburung hore a gate bana ba maburu mara bana ba stout. Bana ba le bana melestari. A kire skoa setsoe bana melestari. Ka 4 ba su fitha ka 4:30 o nyako ba botse re bana ka le khopela ke kopa le fulweng le khwa le tlompeta mara skwa se teng a kere bana ba le bana metsi ke na go re ba speed a boe ngwana la ba lebella a usola a re hey vurpa ne ke lebeletse program engwe so program ne le apartheid wa itse man re tlile kwa apartheiding ba haetso re tlile mo New South Africa and then the ruling party ya rule akere so ne ke lebeletse program engwe mo Soweto TV mara ne hosta ke Mothako mong na bolela Seburkant so hanza bolela mola o interview Mothako mong ba re ke Dumsani are Dumsani ba bolela mola ke TV ke lebeletse maloba ka la boraro a se khale are Dumsani there's something with 2 wheels and a saddle what is it Dumsani ara that's simple it's a bicycle are you know what Dumsani you were so close it's not a bicycle but it's a blue bicycle I get ke le buriso re ne le apartheid Dumsani amol level are Dumsani there's something with 2 wheels a saddle and a motor what is it ara that's simple say you know what that's a motorbike ara Dumsani you were so close it's not a motorbike it's a red motorbike Dumsani atalapsinya Dumsani are you know what say let me tell you something but what is it Dumsani are there something between your legs it's pinkish with some hairs no Dumsani this is a national TV we can't ask those questions man come on Mr. President you can whisper in my ear Dumsani jy weet wat dit klink soos 'n boes meneer jy was amper reg net so reg is nie 'n boes nie is jou ma se boes maloba ne ke lebeletse program engwe le ngwana o mong ke etile go motseng o mong bjano ngwana o lantse fatshe o ja monwana ngwana kana ba re keng Sex in the City so wa itse mo Sex in the City ho fitla nako ela ya wa e bona kere bjano ngwana o la ko munyane nyana o na le bo ma 7-8 years o ntse bjang ho fitla nako yona eo yela ya ke wa itse le boshiwo o tshabo khopela ka mo hae o ra motho Maria or Maria or tsware robale nako eo bjano mme ola wa bona gore mara o fitlhile nako ya kere wa e change o isa ko SABC 1 o lebelela generation a ntsha mona mam o irang busetsa ke ra ba je wena mara ha re le banna re ke le botsa spiri bomme ha re le banna re na le thusalanyana ha o le ntate o se monatinyana ka mo ke na le o bitsa ke ra braya ka wa itse keng ha re jikanyana mo deep kloof mo extension 4 mo o na le ntate o mongwe a ka re fanyana o ka ba monate ka tsia mothako mong ka le ena mola a ba mo fa dipilisi tse 3 ka 1000 ba papa wa itse dipilisi tse di bereka moroba wa itse keng ha o enwele fela o no re vrum o tla e bona ire and how vrum me ya boela mara wa utlwa le wena gore ke bohlanya a re ha tswa ka monyako ke re tshweretse 3 ha tswa ka monyako a re ke test a re vrum ya re yo a re vrum wa sala tse ha ntsa tsama mola hana koloi ke le pantsola o bona mapantsola nyana mo o founela go ya ra mmawe ke kopa o pye bogobe wena ke tshwere pizza ke tlo di a ntwe nngwe wena Hansa bolela wa feta bashimadi ba di Harley Davidson. They are Aisha. Ayo, arfrum. Wasala. A fitla bushi ko hae. Byanong mme wa ko hae ke bo mme ba le ba di consequences ba di tla morao wa ba bona mosba. Wa tsena ke bushi mola. O setse ka arfrum yar. Ba re wena ke di from tsa eng bushi bo boka 1,000 rand gone wa itse ha ba ka polelo ya go Pitori go ke tswang ba na le gore ba o skepa ha ba o skepile ke khopela le jeng banna majita ke kopa le jeng mothako monkile ba re ba mo skepile ba tsena go ntlong kwale di sister are baby khopela o jara mina ngisuthi wa ba itse mazulu ara mina ngisuthi mazulu ba sola le matebele mara basadi ba matebele bana le tlhompho ba tshwana le ba mapedi ape mosadi mo pedi o mo diela bothata o no mo khunamisa o mo lebellako wa tla ka mo mora wa hae wa re mmago boy a ke o dule ga botse ke go bereke so ba matebele o tlo ba re Selina ke o zela nge go ge break so le zulile le botsa ngwanyana le ra mina ngisuthi baby a re baby ke a khopela o tse ara all right di rena kwa boshiwo ke nako ile ya twa a ke re wa itse ona le banyana ba bangwe o kry ba mmoditse ba re baby o motsokotse motho o motsokotse ntho engwe a ena size motho wa teng o tsokotsa sa tsena ka kamora re e ba nkhopotsa polelo engwe malobane ke ile mo nna he re reka batho ba bomme ba ba ikemelang mo tseleng ba le ba bitsa ka lebitsonyana ke re ba ba ikemelang mo tseleng ma ba ba rekisang a bana le ka bothata a ona re ba felletse ke stokwa ke re wa ba bona mos so tsatsile leng ka tsena he ke tsena fela ke ra ke fitla ke tsia mme o la mola rana mella re ya kodimo mara mme o la rena mella re ka chepisi ke a makala a o here le kodimo kwa le ke nna mola modimo a motho a o mosadi o la o ja chepisi ke rao baby khanda o nthusu sheikanyana ara butiwe ke khopela re o molomo wa Jesus rekileng tu thank you ke a leboha
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Mthunzi.
Hola, hola. Fere, who's it? I'm not from Soweto. And like, times are bad now, global recession. Like, it's so bad, like, ezim, abaspansi zim dollars, no, sponsor marand. And like, aba paisi loose, they sell a drag. Fair to $200, thanks. I'm tapping, nama customer, I'm tapping. Even the SABC is broke. And you know the SABC, they like repeating shit when they're broke. Serious. No, they're gonna start repeating the news. Don't be surprised tomorrow, like the Twin Towers have gone down. And like with this whole financial crisis, like the system is still trying to bring new laws. Yoguti, that's the new rule. $300. We asked him about to discipline our kids who go anywhere. So let's figure out a Shama debit order, let's figure police station, so don't feel a swipe. Young them shabu 5 times this month. Young yes. Yes. Ska figure out when I drive through a police station. Ngachela. Yo, shubile la imzansi, shubile. And like ushubele I'm a vendor. Like I just like to be a vendor woman, I'm fit to big ups, you know. Like, but to go vendor, if like a man says hello to you, you have to say, you know, go down, that's fucked up in the club, eh? Toots. Except baby, Unjani, ndi matekwane. Me being the close I am, I'm like, oh, Scave. Oh, Ziawa. Like global recession, I've been paying my career, like, what careers are good careers? You know? And I was like, yazi mum rapper, mina ngakwazo rapper, yabo. You know, I treat rap like TK, you know? I keep feeding it dope lines, you know? You know? Like the problem is like coming up with a name. Like I don't want to end up with a name like Pro Kid. What are you, a professional child? We're writing. Where did you study? Tagalani Sesame? Huh? How did you get inspiration for Ozos of Awona? Marimpo, Ozos of Awona. Shuvile. But like, what I realized, like, especially like hip hop, you have to have like some hard background. I mean, like, uma orange, usuke chele. You know, hare boy, ikum chef na yo fele, isuka chele. Konye kse chele nje yo. Umandoza used to be a hijacker. No, about 10 down. Semsuku uyavayela young smarts. Kayamazaz. Charlie, awubona ngiphethe spam. Awufuni ngenyusulaga. Awusiyeklo transe. Shuvile. I'll tell you, Yasin, you know who's the best gangster? Like, boy, okay, Ikebengu. Yeah, Ikebengu. Sure. Ikebengu. Mariazi Balis Kebeng says Kebeng. Skebeng. Like Ukebengile. Mkharimbe. Nyakjela. Think about it. How does it start this? Why do you think that song is so long? By the beginning of the song, usoba, my pela so tayiwe. Bese nafika, cela ubona uphiya phezulu. Cela ucabangani? Okay, ubani utakiwe. All right, sure. Phama cellular in the meantime. Oh shit. You know, ushubile baba. Shubile. It's crazy. Like Durban is crazy. Ngathi oh umZulu hard. Sorry angikhulumi mfethu. Have you seen the Zulus? If you don't want to fuck with, if a Zulu says sorry uyakhuluma mfethu, thula. Dinimala. You know? But like But like, Durban is the shit though. I think Durban is the utopia of Africa, right? Firstly, because like, you ass is so big, she fall on it, she'll bounce right up. Boing! You hasn't cliche ngawa chomi. You know, you be walking around like this and shit, look like Kanye West, like mushelo, 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 you know? And the second thing is like Durban has got the cheapest prices for everything. Ungene shop, a motherfucker ask you go to patala malin. I'm serious, getting there like, hey. I'm like, yo man, funa lama sneakers in Nike, what Air Force One, sure. Hey man, how much you got? Say. You know, it's crazy, it's crazy. But I'll tell you one thing fucked up about Durban. They got big ass roaches, I'm telling you. I'm serious. Those are big roaches, like the roaches that stand on their hind legs and show off six packs and shit. I'm talking proper Zulu roaches, you know. Look like they were trained by Shaga. Yeah. You switch on the light, instead of them running away, they walking towards you like bom 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 bom. Sorry mfethu. Wena ulayite lesibani. Hey, osicishe ke msuno wakho. Mental, sorry akhuluma mfethu. You be reaching the doom's like you're on your own, nigga. Shit, fuck you. Some Zulu roaches. They be having on the gates, Basop iphela. Lizokunyisa. Kushubile mzansi bafethu, kushubile. Like the time of dissing Jacob Zuma is gone. It's Helen Zilla's turn. The racist white girl. I don't know, those fuckers are so childish, damn that. Do you know what's the most stupidest thing, like Shabil? Directions on a condom. Vela in Spanish lama directions nyabonakala nje. Ubani sponsor riding. How the hell you gonna be like, hey, what's up, girl? Am just switch on the light. Step 1. Take out dick. Oh shit, I missed that step. Okay. You know, who the fuck reads that shit? Shit. I'm from the Eastern Cape where it's like a fashion banumdana. You know what I'm saying? By 15, you're like a father. At 30, you're a grandfather. At 45, you're a great-grandfather. By the time you get to 60, solely yours. My name's Mtunze, and it was beautiful hanging out with you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Arbetele Mashabela Halani. Matsoho!
Trovela the guy. I'm a proudly Limpopian. Anyone from Limpopo here? Limpopo? Baloi. But you know, the trademark arena. It works for me. Moke Blomang, it's a commune. We share the kitchen. Nukapia the other day. But Tubala Pakamant. Kireka Pele Kiwana Mai. Kingwala no to Kirkopela Rutishena Mayak. Kaurabachima Pedisiras, I bush. Kangwale Winnow. As he bush. You know what worked for me? Maybe you don't know where I come from. I'm from Limpopo. I want my meat or else Daily Sun. For 2010, I wish Limpopo we can hook up a zoo. Mo re bjang not wild animals, weird animals. Like botokoloshi, stutwane. Sale ka bereka lekgowa. One day, alofa. Are, naina li food poisoning. Kare ko Limpopo ba e bitsa alipirim. Ene imina ora alipirim. Arana Ari, you must come for some Sunday lunch. Ko Limpopo arena Sunday lunch. O kanu ka fela motho a re o te Sunday lunch ke bana o na nompolaya o. But it's so bad. Ko taxi rank ba rickshaw body heart attack ka checkers. Kautu. Letadi. Ke pela ke bona batho ba bina ba re debe. Rena le style sa rena ko Limpopo. Ke tadi ko betha ka tadi. Mara Limpopo ya improve. Ko molongona o na le ATM nngwe e na le voice nngwe ya Sepedi. Maybe ke for batho ba o se bona. Salika izama ka lokela khati ya re o amoetse mo Limpopo mall. Ke gopela go gote nomoro ya ka sephiring ke ditabo ya mosmomar a ke wa bona ko ATM swantse o butshore o nya ko ntšha bokae ya ranna ya re o lebeletse jalo o ka nya ko ntšha bokae. Yalo kiri kai ralukish kiri 5,000 ar khantuli bi munna yalo patela ya insufficient fund ya no re mna musuna mao ke mmereko motho ela o raloka ka batho mara last year ko Limpopo ne badile beach party ene ko Limpopo a ona beach mara party a ona ne le bo sampono tala di beach mola di fela. Kina luteleta Thobela FM. Malaba kirile kitele cheka kwa badala Will I Am. Heartbreaker. Yo, bale ba tlo bolela o re kenye. Motheleji ne le na William. Ka koshe a ibitao seroba dipelo. Akisa jola le baninyana ba mapedi akibereki ka home ground advantage cherry ya ka ya mafelelo ya lepedi ka re nna ne re le mo Gauteng re tshwere style ka re ke boela gae ka re ke mo ruta dilo re rile re ro make love ka re antši re twaetše o no tšola wa napa wa iwa ka ra ena ka re ke to ruta for play are nko to elong interview wa ntoshi ka ra ena ka re a si interview for play. Can you please come and suck my dick? Are nakela twenna. Eno ukwatambi ka re nakena le bothatanyana ba ono ruta ka pela ukwatambi. O hwetsa re make love nna ka ta ka pela a re bona o rutile wena batho ba tswafa lena yelo ninning bushu ke re ke betha booty call ke a phone ke re baby what are you wearing a re ke apere pokati ganthe no nanne jwa o tsena ena le asthma ba re supporte batho ba di disability na ena le asthma wa tsere make love ne tsa go nkwisha re motho botsebotse o ata o wa khona batho a tsa ba supporte mino wa mapedi una le ko sha engwe ka re ke America batho ba irata. They wanna take me to rehab and I say no. Nkeli ngwanyana wa lepedi a opela koshe banya kontloedisha dipatše ka gana ka re nako ne ba to re work ke mmao wa bona hip hop bo mo rapper na bo mo rapper ba go Lesotho a simple thing like yo dude hala monna tutu hala back monna hala back kuri kanana banyana ba mo Mzanzi ba breaka ka mautha bona re na utha ka ona le G3 o driver SLK ko Lesotho hela una le pere ka wetsa e matha ka ho ha ba re ke stallion pere on kore ke nana jika ile ko Lesotho tembile ke mante o wa blonde tsa ke style ampe ngwanyana ole ke kule ko shengwe yae le bara ke tswe sekgowa are a ke tseng ka iketsang I don't know what I can do to myself serious kurko Lesotho le jika majika ba re tsena yo no ba style se seteng round 2 khopela o bolela ka Mazulu kuri wa tsa maZulu na ba makacha wa tsa lepedi or motswana a ka re wa betha maZulu ba tla o diela poemo pele ba o betha mina zokushamfana zokukhapula intsobo mina ngibona tsala why can't you just do it and abana di pick up line or bana le tsona ke kulo monko nord tutu ntombazana ke tutu ungwatish champe wa kimasha ne ke tsamaya le mosadi le bo mosadi ke ba mmele ba na pe ke rata batho ba mmele kara grike le butso rota ka pela le batho ba mmele o tsana go e nyaka kriya a o te khwetsa mo o ka re tswa ka la microwave yo ola mosadi ao mo house SS rena le ngwana nna le ena una le 1 year 6 months ke premature ngwana mara ke amrata ke blame ena mosadi o cause now go tell pregnant na ya chocolate tsheding ba re ke di fast forward yeah now ro blame nna because nearly premature ejaculation ngwana ona monna 1 year 6 months pervert asinki anyanya letswele a letsebi tsetlelong ke namela le ena taxi ke re ke mokukile ke bona mosadi mo wa breast wa tsana ke rata breast bana o bane le ngwana o rata breast ena a tsebe letswele ku ra mosadi o la nya ka ra ino re a le tshwarenyana o tsa a le tshwara ka ba ka mmona ke ya rota ke ngwana ka ke a morata ne ise element of surprise ne re mo planne sale wa bona gay ya Zulu how wema ke feditse ka maZulu ona le motako mongwe wa lechangane na lla monna a re wa tsa wa rapela ene modimo a mo arabe ke re maybe ke ka mogommi tsang ka ona shikwembu ka re makhalata ao ke bolele ka bona oh salu bona ni la mafello le khalati le na le love bite. First of all, to get a love bite you need some teeth. Kuri, can you imagine foreplay ya makhalati? Kuri bachela wine ba chula diaparo ba fita ba chula le meno. Whatsa rena batho ba bantsho re kwana lu remixa dilo tse ka moka ke kula ko shengwe ya kwa America kwa e remix tse ke batho ba ka mo South Africa la itse ba track ya 50 Cent ko shoti it's your birthday we gonna ke kwele